guys, it's Revenge66 Lucky. Today I will be unboxing the Xbox One. So, we got Gears of War Ultimate Edition, Rare Replay 38 Games, One Epic Collection, and Ori and the Blind Forest. That's what this console comes with. And I just sat on the Swiss knife. Good thing it was unarmed. Okay, let's start this. Okay. So, let's open this. Wait, I got this. There's...
Аккуратно.
Okay, leave that right there. Great.
Аккуратно руки. Коль, я сейчас заберу нож.
Oh, fine. How about you cut? Okay, let's record my dad.
Не надо меня рекордить, я просто...
Okay, so right now, this is the Xbox One. My dad just opened it. Okay. So, let's open the masterpiece. Okay, so we need this.
Коль, давай остановим, я открою, потому что ты не аккуратно сделал. Давай? Окей, давай ставь, хорошо?
I could.
Коль, скажи что-то.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this video, so it'll be into the next video. Okay, peace. So I am back, and yeah. So this is GTA 5 because I bought this from EB Games. We bought the two things separately. So this is GTA 5 for Xbox One. Yeah. And here, we bought this from EB Games too. This is for if my AA batteries run out, because we don't have any more AA batteries, I'll just place it like this, and then I'll just charge. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, subscribe, like, comment, and I'm out.